Hey everybody, let me introduce to my new addition to my workshop is this huge lathe. Compared to the previous one. I'm already happy, and this is my first project on my new lathe. Hopefully this will be, if I actually can make it, a lathe tool handle. Ooh, I'm so happy, quite heavy though. So let me try. Subscribe to my channel, really. Okay. Well, I don't even know what's gonna happen. Okay, lowest, try. This is so mesmerizing. This is like 48 RPM. What the heck? I didn't expect that low, but I guess this is just a little bit. I bought a nice Halloween carbide tool. This is the thing, and I need a handle for it. And I want to make, I don't know, at least 16-inch handle. So hopefully it will work. Whee! Okay, this is so nice. Okay, let me do the end so I don't need to deal with it anymore. Many people told me this looks like oak, then it must be oak. Gee, it feels so well. First of all, I can put this big piece, but it just works. It doesn't slow down with the pressure. Gee, I like it so much. Now I do a little bit more precision stuff. I need to measure. So on one side, which side we're gonna pick for handle part? Okay, for the handle part, we'll pick this. 27/32. And I'm still unclear. Oh, low, less than that. To back off a little bit. Let's say I'll do it by this level. I'll stop on this point. Okay, so now shape. Given I have no clue how this is supposed to look like, this will be the highest point, 16 inches would be there, this would be the lowest point, then slide. No. And before I take it off, I will do sanding. So the oil doesn't dips, or if it dips, it doesn't do too much damage. And apply. Nothing really special, but I needed like a very long handle, and this is just the way to make one. Ta-da! Okay, so this is my first project on this giant lathe, giant to my standards, and I succeeded. It's long, it's 16 inches. Woo! I'm so happy. Quite heavy though. It's a lathe tool handle. Yay! So it will be this big tool. Took me 2 hours for no particular reason. I was just enjoying my new tool. It worked really well. I'm really happy with the purchase, at least so far. If you want an upgrade of your lathe, this would be a good option. In any case, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. And see you next video. Bye.